official TRD front strut bar for the Scion. So glad this came in. Can't wait until I install it. What is going on, guys? This is the Maafia garage here, and today I'm going to make a quick little video on, a small thing I didn't really see on YouTube and I would like to put it on YouTube. So I recently just picked up this 2006 Scion Xa. It's a daily driver of mine. I really got to make a video on this car because I got it. It's an accident vehicle and I fixed it all up, and it's a nice little 5-speed car. Has 64,000 original miles. Yeah, you guys heard me, and that's amazing. This car just amazes me. I just wanted to do some small stuff today. I got this TRD front strut bar. So it's for 2004 and up, Scion Xa and Scion XB. So as you can see right here, it comes with the strut bar, hose wrap, washers, the instructions, but unfortunately it didn't come with the stickers, man. I'm like kind of upset, I wanted to put some cool stickers on my car. Not really, but I wanted to put it on the new toolbox I got over here. It's really nice. It really cleaned up the place. But all in all, I got the strut bar. It was a cool $60. Like, come on, guys. And it's just a bolt-on, little piece right here. Just, add some little fun characteristics to the everyday driving I do to the car. Although the car is very fun to drive, I must say. It's very fun. Drinks no gas whatsoever. And it makes me laugh every time I drive that thing, because that thing is amazing. But on to the video. So I got this front strut bar. And in installations, it says, the instructions, for Scion XBs, you don't gotta do certain, steps. But for the XA, you gotta do all these weird steps, and I'll go through with it with you guys. So I'm gonna leave the strut brace over there. It came with these washers, 6 of them. So it came with 6 washers, and so these 6 washers, it's for each strut bar. For each strut nut or whatever, but there's only 2 on each side, so I don't know why it came with 6. But anyways, I'm gonna leave these over here. I already put the hose wrap on because you know me by now. I already do the job and process, and then I make a video because I'm just a freaking bum. But over here it said to install the hose wrap on this hose right here, because the strut brace is going to be coming in the front. Over here I already removed the bolts, the nuts. These nuts were not tightened at all. Like, they were tightened, but they're not like over tightened to where it's like, oh my gosh, you need like a breaker bar or something. You can easily remove it with a wrench if your car wasn't messed with. This car basically has like no miles, so I don't think anybody touched it. But you can see right here, I removed those 2. Now in the instructions, I'm sorry I'm going to make this pretty long, but I want to just explain it because no one has a video on this. So in the instructions, it said to remove all 3. And it said, for both sides, and it said to jack up the car and push this down so these can go all the way down into the wheel well. And I looked at that and I was like, are you serious? Like, I don't really want to do that. So I tried to just install the strut brace by itself without doing that, and it got stuck over here. You can see some scratching over there. I was trying to remove this thing. It literally got stuck. You can see some red chipping over there from the powder coat. It got chipped off. So I was like, crap, like, I don't want to remove this thing every time I need to work on the car. So like, let's say if I need to remove the engine cover, the strut bar is in the way. I'm sure you can remove it, but it's gonna be such a pain in the ass. So what I did was I put a nut onto this end right here, and I left it like that. I tightened it a little bit, and then I grabbed this crowbar over here. And I know you guys might be saying, what the hell is your damn problem? But just look. I grabbed it right here, and it's not tight. Yeah, I didn't tighten up the nut, but I was trying to show you for like demonstrations. I loosened it to where the stud is not protruding, and I used the nut, and I grabbed the crowbar, and I started pressing against the firewall over here. And I pressed it enough to where it doesn't look like it's damaged or anything. It's not. But now the strut brace can go easily in and easily out. So basically, if I want to remove the strut brace, I can just remove it without jacking up the car. Sorry, where was I? Because some guy was walking his dog and his dog kept on barking and it was kind of pissing me off. Sorry. So I grabbed the crowbar and I started pushing it against here. And so that gave me enough room. So I'm going to remove this now and I want to show you guys how it fits now. So that gave the strut bar enough room to go on top. So if I bring the strut bar, I'm going to show you guys on this side, because since the wiring harness is over there, you have to put the strut bar underneath the wiring harness and, you know, trying to finagle it through there. You don't want to put the strut brace on top of the harness because it's going to kind of clamp it down, and there's like wires there. I don't know where the wires go to and I don't know what they're for, but I'm going to show you guys on this side, because both sides were not going in all the way. It was getting stuck on the top. So bring this over and it just slides right on just like that. See, it comes right off. So before it was just going on the top and the front side was coming off, but this side was getting stuck. But then when I grabbed the crowbar, you can see it. Let me see if I can show you guys. You can see how it's kind of like scratched up because I just used a crowbar and just pushed it in. So now the strut bar does fit. I'm gonna show you guys an after of when the strut bar is installed and where I put the washers at and how the wiring harness looks. But you can see right here, it's just gonna sit like that. And you see, you don't want this doesn't want to be like rubbed against, I guess. So that's what they told in the instructions. They said to put this on there. There's some over here. I didn't put this on. This came from factory, but I guess it's just to protect the hose from any rubbing, but it's not gonna rub. But I'll show you guys the after. As we proceed to give you what you need. Little Biggie Smalls reference, you know what I'm saying? But over here, you can see where I placed the washers at. Right under the nut. And it has to be like that because they want it to be like a nice secure connection. And you know, you don't want to damage the powder coat. Come on, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see and as you can hear, I'm kind of excited because, wow, it's pretty nice. You know, got some legit stuff on here. Probably gained like 35 to the wheels. Come on, guys, look at the red. You guys can notice the red more than anything else. So I'm gonna go for a good little test drive. And you know, strut braces are a nice little bolt-on, good for handling, you know, good for weapons. Now I'm gonna make some more videos about this car. Like I said before, I'm gonna make some more videos, and I know whoever's watching this just to watch a strut brace video, I'm sorry, man. I wish I could have made it straight to the point. I wish, man. But sorry, I'm sorry you had to watch through this. I'm sorry you had to see the true me, which is, you know, actually fun and outgoing, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please like it. And you know, if you want to subscribe, you know, help a brother out, you know what I'm saying? Thank you so much.